We just want to inform the public and Nigerians in general that the PDP closed its case today, having called 19 witnesses, having presented 152 beavers machines, affecting 133 polling units. We called the number of witnesses that we needed to call, and we believe that those witnesses spoke to the documents they tendered, and the respondents, INEC in this case, needed more time to come and defend what they did. They pleaded with the tribunal, and the tribunal granted them that request and adjourned till Wednesday for INEC.
Are you satisfied with the presentation of your witnesses?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think they did very well. They spoke as if you could see that they were there when these things happened. They spoke live into those documents, and we are so proud of all of them. And we think that they did justice to what they were expected to do. We cannot thank them enough. It's difficult to speak to that. The reason being that it's like the APC are made up of people that don't read. They are lazy. First, the Electoral Act 2022, Section 137, is very clear on the fact that you don't have to call oral evidence if your documents are certified and you presented them to the court. That's number one. Number two, our case is not about what happened at the unit level. We didn't need to call plenty witnesses. The manipulation, the rigging started at the ward level and the SGA level. That's why we called those segments of witnesses. So it wasn't. We're not looking for witnesses. If we needed to, we would have called as many as we needed. But the 19 that we've called are those that we needed to make our case more plausible for the tribunal to take to give judicial notice of it, to take judicial notice of it, and dispassionately look at the merit of our petition and look at what the law says and do the needful. INEC certified these documents for us. From EC8 is the IRF report, the beavers machines, the extra from the beavers machines. We have certified 2 copies of all these documents from EC8B, from EC8C. Isn't it strange that those documents that INEC certified for us, their lawyer, their counsel, is objecting to our tendering it in court? You would expect INEC to be very happy that we are tendering those documents that they certified for us. Some of us imagine that there seems to be a twist in the thinking of INEC for them to openly object to the tendering of their documents that they gave to us. We find that very curious, and we maybe when they let us know by Wednesday, we'll take it off from there.